Graphenizer 1 instantly cleans injectors and removes carbon buildup for smoother engine performance. Just connect the process kit, pour Graphenizer 1, and let it clean the system directly. Helps improve pickup, throttle response, mileage, and reduces black smoke. Graphenizer 3 is super easy to use. Just open the fuel tank cap. Pour the bottle directly into the petrol or diesel tank, and that's it. Helps improve pickup, mileage, and reduces black smoke for smoother engine performance. Your engine works hard every single day, but heat, friction, and wear slowly reduce its performance. That's why we use Graphenizer 2, advanced graphene-based engine protection. Just pour it directly into the engine oil. It forms a strong protective graphene layer inside the engine, helping reduce friction, lower heat, improve smoothness, and protect engine parts from wear. Suitable for all engine oils and all types of vehicles. Give your engine better protection, better performance, and longer life with Graphenizer 2. Carbon buildup can reduce your engine performance and increase smoke emissions. Graphenizer Carbon Flush deep cleans the exhaust system without opening any engine parts. It removes carbon deposits, improves airflow, reduces black smoke, and helps the engine perform smoother and cleaner. Graphenizer Carbon Flush. Restore the flow, revive the power,